Ray-Ban Meta Glasses 3rd Gen Review. So, the third generation Ray-Ban Meta Glasses brings sleeker design, improved cameras, and deeper Meta integration. The build feels premium, staying true to Ray-Ban style while adding modern smart features. So, the pros of this are the biggest upgrade is the 12 megapixel camera with 1080p video recording, making content capture sharper and smoother. They also feature better audio with open ear speakers, great for calls and music without fully blocking outside sound. Voice assistant integration with Meta AI is also faster, letting you ask questions, control features, and even stream directly. The cons are the battery life is still at a limitation, around 4 hours of mixed use before needing a recharge. They are also tied heavily into the Meta ecosystem, so if you don't use Meta services, they lose some appeal. And at their price point, they are not cheap compared to regular sunglasses. So for final verdict, if you want stylish, smart eyewear with hands-free photo, video, and AI assistance, the Ray-Ban Meta Glasses 3rd Gen are worth it for you. But if you need long battery life or you don't care about Meta features, you may not want to use it or you may wait for other versions. And that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.